Well, kids were practicing their door slamming again. Doorknob went clean through the drywall. Am I mad? No, this is just Tuesday. Contractor wanted $300. Hard pass. Great stuff foam, confidence in a can. It expands and expands. Okay, that's plenty, buddy. Cut off the mushroom, sand it down. Then a mesh patch so the next slam doesn't win. Drydix goes on pink, dries white, so even I know when it's done. Sand it smooth, prime it, good as new. $300 job, 15 bucks. Another one Dad just handles. Kid's nice arm. Aim for a hug next time.